Good day, boys and girls. Mr. Mitchell here from the Boys and Girls Club of Youngstown, here with another fun-filled family game for you. It's called Movie Night Trivia, and what you would need cards or sticky notes like this. And what you want to do is pick a favorite line from your favorite movie and have them fill in the blank. And if they can fill in the blank with the same and tell you the character and the movie it's from, if they only fill in the line, it's 5 points. If they can name the line and the character, it's 10 points. If they can fill in the line, the character, and the movie, it's 20 points. For example, here's one right here. If I only had a blank, and it's Brain, the Tin Man from the Wizard of Oz. So remember, the more the merrier. You can play with 2 to however many you want. Have fun, stay safe, and remember to click the link below and like on our YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Have a good day.